Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Hey, I got us a project for today. I bought this at GoodWill way before the COVID thing took off, and I've just been sitting on it and saving it for a video. See if we can fix it. What it is a Harbor Freight. I don't know if I can get that or not, but it says item number 96291. It's an Oooga horn, and I know I overpaid for it. I paid $10 for it, right there. But I didn't mind. I didn't care. They're new, $10. Okay. Plus, you can probably get 20% off and all the things. But I didn't worry about that. I wanted it for a project to see if it was broken or not, and if it was broken, to see if we could fix it. So let's see what we can do. Let me get some test cables. I got us just off the side here. I got us a 12-volt battery. Let's see if we can test it, see if it works. So hang on, I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm just figuring that being as it was at GoodWill, most likely doesn't work. That's the way it usually is over there. At least the one around here, yeah, sometimes you can get something over there that works, but most of the time that's why it's there. If people donated it because they couldn't get it to work. Either way, we're going to see if we can fix this beast. Alright. And they donate it because it's cheaper than taking it to the dump. Because we have to pay here to take things to the dump. Alright, it's going to get loud, guys. We're going to test it and see what it sounds like. See if it works. Oh. It went and now it's just sparking. Alright. See, I told you. Most generally, if it's over there, it's a no worky. Alright, so let's start taking it apart, guys. Set her on down here, and sorry if I can't get all of it on camera here. I'm in limited space. Let's see what we can do, though. It's like there's just a series of screws, and this is plastic. Okay, this is the interior, minus the dust from sitting around. There's just a tin plate with, oh, that's a little fancy dancy on the back of that. Okay. Oh, and there's that. Looky there. That screw's backed out. That's a little peculiar, huh? I don't think it's supposed to be that way. What do you think, guys? No, it was barely hanging in there. Let's take that out. Oh, it's just keyed on there like that. Feels like it's made out of pot metal. It's not pot metal. It is magnetic, I'll bet. Yep. So it's cast iron or junk iron. Some kind of junk iron. I don't even think it's cast iron, it's junk. I'm sure of it. Alright. Oh, and then there's a little set screw on the back with a jam nut for the end play, I think, for this. Let's see if the motor turns without anything in there, okay? Let's see what happens with that. Hook our battery back up here. Alright, it says positive goes here, and the negative's over here, so yeah, our motor runs. Okay. That's good. Alright, so what I did, I think, to keep that screw from backing out again, We'll put a little Loctite on that. I don't think it needs to back out like that. So let me go get some Loctite. Alright, we got some. I think it just takes just a little tiny bit. About like that. See if we can get that put back in there. I'm going to hold on to it with some pliers. Make sure it's tight. Because if that comes out, then we got to take it back apart again. And I don't see in the future where that needs to come off anyways. So we're going to give it a little bit of... That's plenty tight. Alright. See the end play? You can set that, I guess, with that. So I wonder if that's what was wrong or if there's more wrong. I do not know. Let's test it again as we go here. Maybe we will only have to take it apart once. That looks alright. Runs. Alright. Then it goes against this little tin plate, which has a wavy in it thing. Yeah. Looks to me like it wears on there and wears on here and I want to put just a little bit of something on that, like grease or something. Maybe it'll keep the wear down. So let me do that. Okay, folks, got a little bit, just a little bit grease in there. And it'll still get the friction on that, but it just won't wear so bad, hopefully. At least that's the plan. Alright, I did notice there's a little indentation on this side, and right across there's one on this side, and the same thing on the middle, so I think it's supposed to go like that. Yeah, that tells you where the screws line up. Alright, same thing on there. There's a keyed. There's little notches. So we're going to put that on back on there. If I can line that up. You know what? I think if a guy puts this piece in here and then sets her on there, and you're only working with 2 pieces instead of 3 pieces. At least that's the theory, eh? Alright, we got her. Now we'll start whittling our bolts back, or our screws back in there. Get a couple started across from each other. There, now she can't fall apart. There we go. Get them started by hand here. And then we'll go in some sort of a pattern. Whittle them across from each other probably. Okay. Let's see if it works any better. I don't know. Let's hook some power up to her. May have to do some adjusting, I don't know. Ready? Alright, let's get our power hooked up here correctly. I guess you gotta hook it to the battery, right? Okay. Ready? Nope, that ain't right. hang on, I gotta go get a little Allen wrench. Alright guys, that little set screw, I did a little bit of adjusting, got me a little Allen, and I did a little bit of adjusting, and then I just hand tightened this little nut. So far, this is what we got. I'll show you. Not too bad. I'm going to leave it right there. I think that's about a fix right there. I'm going to call that a fix. Just tighten that little nut up and make sure she still works. Not bad. I think it come out of a little bit of out of adjustment when I turned that. So what I'm going to do, it pulled it out. I'll push it in just a little bit. Try that. It's still a little out. I had it perfect, but when you go to tighten that little nut, that jam nut, it moves. Right there. Oh, it pulled it out a little, so I need to push it in and hold it while I tighten that maybe. Let's try that. Nah, it still sounds like a dead, dying bird. We're going to leave her there. Still don't sound right. Let me fart around with it a little bit and I'll bring you back. Okay, YouTube. This time I think we might have something. We're going to call that a fix, okay? Anyway, for 10 bucks, it works now. Love y'all. Take care. Wish it was a real, real one, but hey, you won't find one of those for 10 bucks probably that is worth fixing. Alright. Take it easy, guys. Love y'all. Glad you could join me. Bye-bye.